Well, we have another wind advisory today, so supposed to be here around noon. So I guess I'll get out here and try to walk around a little bit. Get some of this done before the wind gets here. I think the battery's about dead in the stabilizer. It's a little unstable. So, after all the excitement yesterday, in the afternoon, guess what? Yep, you got it. Hundreds of parking spots, camping spots on this road, 27 miles from one end to the other. I don't know how many there are, but last count there was probably about 5 people in here, besides myself and that group over there. So I'm going to oh, by the way, that microphone and all that will be here tomorrow, tomorrow afternoon. So I thought what I'd do is head on back down to town, down to Payson tomorrow, and get my stuff done, and then when I come back I'll pick up that microphone and all that, and when I come back in I'm going to head so far back in there nobody will find me. The road gets pretty bad back in there, and I think one or two videos ago somebody said that, you know, when the road's bad the aliens don't make it that far in. So I'm not so much for seeing the elk anyway. Too much activity around now, they're not going to be coming around. Got their ATVs over there, and kids ranging from 5 to 7, I guess, or so. They were all riding them around yesterday, which is kind of fun, watching them trying to figure it out. They finally put a helmet on the littlest one. She had trouble with the throttle because it was either full bore or nothing, or idle. So I expect her to go flying off the back any time. I didn't say anything. Yep, they're getting some wind now. Hard time walking today. I'm not chewing gum either, I promise. Solar panels sitting in the sun, all of them except for one. It's got a branch on it. Try to get that out. So what do you think of that night shot? That was my first attempt. Wasn't quite adjusted right, but I'll get it. It's a night time lapse, night to sunrise. Okay, I guess that's about it for now.